This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone Bluetooth issues after the last iOS update. So after updating your iPhone, if you're facing these Bluetooth not working or can't finding new device or disconnecting, follow these easy steps to fix this issue. The first solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issue. So give a simple restart and then check the issue. The second solution is update your iOS again. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If you see any update available here, then update your iPhone again and then check the issue. The third solution is disconnect the Bluetooth device and reconnect to the device and then check the issue. The last solution is reset network settings. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset network settings. Once done, check the issue. And if you're still having the same issue, then you have to reset all settings. So tap on Reset all settings and hope this solution will fix Bluetooth issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.